There is something called love atmosphere, and that's what we are going to be talking about in today's devotion. Good morning. Our Bible verse shall be taken from 1 John chapter 4, from verse 7 to 12. The Bible says, "Behold, let us love one another, for love is of God, and everyone that knoweth love is born of God and knows God. He that loveth not knoweth not God, for God is love. And if we love one another, God dwells in us, and His love is perfected in us." Now, what I'm going to be talking about in today's devotion is directed towards, couples, towards family, towards siblings, towards friends. See, we can allow the love of God to dominate us as husband and wife, as family, as friends. We can allow the love of God to dominate us, and not just natural human love, because natural love is shallow. Natural love can be selfish. As believers, we have advantage over other people, especially when it comes to the context of marriage, when it comes to the context of romantic love. We can love our spouse with the natural love, and we can also love our spouse with the divine love, which is God's love, because God's love, which is the divine love, never seeks its own welfare. It seeks the welfare of the other person. We can create the atmosphere of love in our home, for our children, amongst our family. You can come to a place and you know that no, there is love in this atmosphere. Love carries an atmosphere the same way bad energy, the same way hatred carries an atmosphere. So as a believer, you need to make sure that you carry the love atmosphere. You exercise this God's love that is inside of you. And if you are a husband, if you are a wife, if you are courting, you have an advantage, not just to love your spouse with the natural love, but to also love your spouse with the divine love. Now say these words after me. I will walk in divine love towards those I love. Create an atmosphere of love in your family. Create an atmosphere of love amongst your siblings, amongst your friends, in your church. Create an atmosphere of love. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Bye.